This is Amber Corbin. I am a fifth grade teacher at Spring Place Elementary School, which is part of the Murray County School District. Over 44% of the students that I teach on a daily basis are English language learners. These students regularly slip through the cracks of qualification for gifted and talented services for the simple fact that they face a language barrier that prevents them from proper identification of their creative ability. It is important to educate teachers on the Torrance creative positives. English language learning students with creative talents are being missed due to the lack of awareness about the Torrance creative positives as a form of identification of creative abilities. With more effective training and implementation, together we can provide more appropriate and meaningful education opportunities for all students, including English language learners. Torrance once said, "Outstanding creative achievement involves being different, testing known limits, attempting difficult jobs, making honest mistakes, and responding to challenges." Every task as an educator will not be easy, but if it benefits our students by creating positive outcomes, it is worth all the efforts on their behalf.